Jump Desktop has been making waves in the remote desktop app space, but does it live up to the hype? Today, we're diving into its features, usability, and whether it's worth your time and money. Let's find out. Jump Desktop is designed for seamless remote access, allowing users to connect to their computers from virtually anywhere. One of the standout features is its support for both RDP and VNC protocols, which gives users flexibility in how they connect. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate. The app supports various devices including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, which means you can access your desktop from your phone or tablet without a hitch. What's impressive is the fluidity of the connection. Even on slower networks, it maintains decent performance, which is crucial for tasks that require real-time interaction. However, while the app excels in basic functionalities, there are areas that feel a bit lacking, particularly in advanced features like file transfer options. Some users might also find the setup process slightly daunting if they're not tech-savvy. Overall, it feels user-friendly, but could do with more comprehensive guidance for first-time users. Jump Desktop has its strengths, like cross-platform compatibility and a smooth user experience, which makes it appealing for many. The ability to connect from various devices without major lag is a big plus, especially for those needing reliable access for work or personal use. On the flip side, there are some drawbacks. The lack of robust file transfer capabilities can be frustrating for users who need to move files frequently. Additionally, while the app is generally reliable, there have been reports of occasional connectivity issues, which could be a deal breaker for some. Pricing is another consideration. While it's not the most expensive option out there, some users may feel they're not getting enough for what they pay. It might not be the ideal choice for those looking for extensive features or a more advanced remote desktop experience. In conclusion, Jump Desktop is a solid choice for those seeking a straightforward remote desktop solution, particularly if you value cross-platform access. However, if you need advanced features or robust file transfer options, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth a try, especially for casual users looking for reliable access.